Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back again to Baby Kid Foods, a channel of easy recipes, African traditional recipes and modern foods. So here we have also some breakfast ideas and travel and events. So if you're new in this channel, please go through this channel, watch my videos, give them a like, comment and share. For those who have just returned back, returning viewers, thank you so much for turning back. Then please share as well. So guys, today I'm back with this video and I just want to make some lunch and I'm going to make some chicken wings. So these chicken wings, I'm going to make some juicy chicken wings. So keep tuned and let's move. So guys, these are the wings that I'm going to prepare. So I will just start by removing them. So these are the wings that I'm going to make. They here have plenty of them, 1 kg. And for the ingredients that I'm going to use, I have bicarbonate here. Wash it with or marinate it with this so that smell. For two reasons. One, the smell of the chicken can get rid of the smell of the chicken. And secondly, it will make it tender. Then I have garlic here. So I'm going to make it juicy using mustard, honey, black pepper, paprika, ketchup, and ginger. I have some my onions here and some lemon. So keep tuned. So I will start by cutting off. I don't enjoy taking these chicken wings with this part. I prefer cutting it out. I prefer them this way. So I will add in bicarbonate and make sure I marinate it well. So I'll keep it aside for about 30 minutes, then I'm going to wash it. Meanwhile, as my wings are still marinating, I'll go ahead and cut my onions. So after chopping my onions, I'll lit my pan now. My wings are now done, so I'm going to wash away the bicarbonate cooking. So keep tuned, guys. Ready? So I'll add in plenty of white onions. So let them cook. I'll add garlic and a little bit of ginger. I will add paprika. We'll give it a mix. Then there I am with my wings. So guys, I want the aroma of all these ingredients of white onions, ginger and garlic to cook along with this. So I will not add any water. I'll just cover it and let it cook. So meanwhile, I'll go ahead and prepare some paste. So keep tuned. I'll add in ketchup. I'll add in black pepper and honey. So I'll mix up everything. Now I'll put some lemon to it. Keep tuned guys. So guys, just to get back to my food, my wings are cooking well. So what I'll do is just to add some salt to it. And give it. Remember guys, I've not added any water and I'm not going to add water. So I'll just let it cook. I will add lemon to this. Remember our wings are still cooking. My chicken is going to be nice. So keep tuned. Back to my chicken, guys. My chicken is ready now. It is soft. And now the next thing I'm going to do is now to add that paste that I did. So keep tuned. You remember this is the mixture. All this mixture you add into these wings. Very nice and juicy wing recipe. Please try out this recipe. Look at the paste itself, guys. So thick and it's so nice, so juicy. So I'm just going to give it about 5 to 10 minutes and it will be done. So this kind of recipe you can serve it with macaroni or some rice. So I'm going to serve it with rice and you'll love it. Mm. Mm. Wow, 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 wow. So guys, look at my wings, chicken wings, with very, very, very thick paste, very, very juicy, guys. Oh. So next, I'm going to so nice, so tasty, and very, very soft. So please, guys, if you want to prepare your wings, look for this way. Use cook it in rabbit kit style. You'll really love and enjoy it. So here you can serve it with anything of your choice, depending on from which country you come from. So like for me today, just want to serve it with some coconut rice. So thank you for watching this video. Please try it out and let's meet in another video. Bye bye. Welcome.